Everyone thinks the best-selling instant coffee is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Nescafé Gold Espresso Blonde. First up is the Nescafé Gold Espresso Blonde. This 3.5 Oz jar is priced at $12.82, which might seem a bit steep for instant coffee, but if you want cafe-quality espresso without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. The real charm here is its rich flavor, crafted from high-quality golden roasted Arabica beans. You get that velvety, smooth taste you'd expect from a cafe, perfect for those mornings when you need a little boost without heavy machinery. With just a teaspoon mixed with hot water, you can whip up a delightful espresso or Americano in seconds, making up to 50 cups from a single jar. Here's why this matters. You get convenience and taste all in one. Now, some people complained about the slightly higher price compared to other instant coffees. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who values quality over cheap thrills, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you love espresso but don't want to invest in an espresso machine. Skip this one if you prefer traditional brewed coffee and don't mind the extra steps. Now, if Nescafé's price bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Nescafé Clásico Origin Colombia. Next up is Nescafé Clásico Origin Colombia. At $11.71, this instant coffee is crafted from 100% Colombian Arabica beans, and it caught my attention for its balanced flavor. What's cool about this coffee is it brings a smooth, fruity note that really elevates your coffee experience, all while being incredibly easy to prepare. It makes up to 85 cups, which is a solid value if you drink coffee daily. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want a consistent, quality cup of coffee without the fuss, this is your go-to. However, some users mention that the flavor might be too mild for those who enjoy a bold coffee experience. But here's my take. If you prefer a milder, smoother coffee, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, everyday coffee that doesn't skimp on flavor. Skip this one if you love stronger coffee and need that punch from your brew. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who enjoy convenience in single servings. Product number 3, Nescafé Taster's Choice. Now let's talk about Nescafé Taster's Choice. This pack of 72 single-serve packets comes in at $30.26, which might feel like a splurge, but it's all about convenience. Each packet delivers a smooth, well-balanced flavor that's easy to prepare. Just pour it into a cup, add hot water, and you're good to go. You can enjoy a premium coffee experience without the hassle of brewing. Here's why this matters. It's perfect for the on-the-go lifestyle. Now, some people did find that the flavor was not as rich as they expected compared to brewed coffee. But let's be real, if you're looking for speed and convenience with decent flavor, this is a great choice. This is ideal for you if you need coffee in a hurry or if you travel a lot. Skip this one if you're a coffee snob who prefers freshly brewed over instant. Now, if all these packets seem like too much effort, the next coffee option is all about simplicity. Product number 4, Illy Instant Coffee Intenso Dark Roast. Next up is Illy Instant Coffee in Intenso Dark Roast, priced at $17.73. This one stood out to me for its unique flavor profile. Think warm notes of cocoa and dried fruit. What I love about this coffee is that it's made from only the top 1% of Arabica coffee beans, so you know you're getting quality. The preparation is super easy too. Just mix a couple of teaspoons with hot water and you've got a rich cup in seconds. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of flavor complexity, this could be your new favorite. Here's why that matters. You can enjoy a cafe-style drink at home without any fuss. However, some users have mentioned it can be a bit pricey for instant coffee. But honestly, if you value taste and authenticity, you might find it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a rich flavor in your coffee. Skip this one if you prefer lighter roasts or are on a tight budget. Now, if you're looking for a good deal on a classic coffee, let's check out the last option on our list. Product number 5, Taster's Choice Original Gourmet Instant Coffee. Last but not least is Taster's Choice Original Gourmet Instant Coffee. This 2-pack of 14 Oz jars is a fantastic deal for coffee lovers who want to stock up. At around $29, you get a solid amount of quality instant coffee that's easy to prepare. It's designed to be light and smooth, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a classic coffee flavor without any frills. If you just want a reliable cup that tastes good without any complicated processes, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters. It gives you a straightforward coffee experience. Now, some have noted that it lacks the boldness that some may seek in their coffee. But honestly, if you want something that's easy to drink and easy to prepare, this could be perfect. This is perfect for you if you're looking for value and simplicity in your coffee. Skip this one if you're after a more robust flavor or specialty coffee. So we've covered quite a range of instant coffees, from cafe-quality espresso to classic blends. Each one has its own unique flavor and convenience factors, so depending on what you're looking for, I hope this gives you a clearer picture of your options. So there you have it. We've looked at Nescafé Gold Espresso Blonde for a cafe experience, Nescafé Classico for smooth Colombian flavor, Nescafé Taster's Choice for quick packets, Illy for a rich taste, and finally Taster's Choice Original for budget-friendly simplicity. Each offers something unique, but all deliver on convenience and flavor. Whatever your coffee needs, there's definitely a pick in this list for you.